Hello everyone, Jack here from Consoles World, and welcome to another installment of the unboxing series. And today I'm super excited because today I have got this, the Nintendo SNES. Yes, I finally got it. I got it from Game Store for one here for $69.99, but I have got the Game Elite membership, that one here, which is fantastic. I got it £10 off, so you're looking around about $59.99 for that one here. Now this one here, it is the Your PAL version, so in America it's called Super Famicom, but I'm from here UK, but this is what I'm here for. So the SNES Mini, I so want this one last year. It's been released last year, but I didn't get it for Christmas. But now finally I got the good deal thanks to the Game Elite membership, that one here. I'm super excited with. So anyway, let's get started with the box itself. The box, that one here, I love the design for that one here to beginning with. You see at the bottom of the screen, there's 20 games plus 1. So looking at is 21 games on this little system. Obviously, I cannot wait for that one here. So anyway, let's take a look at the games that what we have here on this SNES. So here we go. We got Super Mario World. We got Donkey Kong Country. We got F-Zero. We got Secret of Mana. Super Castlevania 4. Legend of Zelda: A Link to the Past. Super Ghouls and Ghosts. Earthbound. Cantoria 3, The Alien Wars. One here, I'm trying to get around to it. Super Punch-Out. Super Metroid. Star Fox, Final Fantasy 3, Super Mario RPG Legends of the Seven Stars, Super Mario Kart, Mega Man X, Kirby Superstar, Kirby's Dream Course, Super Mario World 2 Yoshi's Island, and Street Fighter 2 Turbo Hyper Fighting. And there is one game, that one here, never been released here in the UK and across the country. That is Star Fox 2. Wow, I cannot wait to see. So I'm going to show you the games. So those are the games, if you can actually see. So those are the games okay here on the SNES. So without any further ado, let's take a look at the unboxing. So we're going to take it out here. Okay, so we got here. Okay, so we have the manual so make sure you have to how it works. That one, you know how to play it and how you need to get something sorted. So we do need that one of the way. Okay, so we got here. Okay, so we got here the SNES controller, mini one. So this is the controller here. But one thing I love it. Nice buttons around. But one thing, not one, but we got two instead. So that means you can play 2 players with your friends on this, on the SNES Mini. Wow, that's really a fantastic one here. So I'm really happy with those controllers. So let's get the 4 out. Okay, so next here. Okay, so we got a USB cords, that one here, so it used to be a plug-in thing. Now, once you know that if anyone here is going to get like a Nintendo plug for that one here, then you know that's fine. But one thing I know that you should guys know, if you have like iPhone chargers, like iPhones and charge up video cameras for USB plugs, that one here, well, one thing you know, it can work on any of it. Instead of like wasting like 10-20 pounds for the plug, you can plug in anything. Like if it's an iPhone, that one here, chargers or anything for one here, it can work. But just hope it makes sure of that one here. And we got here an HDMI cable, so we can play HD games on the system. Well, I cannot wait. And now finally we're getting down to the actual thing. And I cannot wait to see it. Ta-da! So there you go. So that is the system, but one here, the SNES Mini. So what we have here you know, if you wish to have a little cartridges in it, we could have a little bit of fun. We have the power on and off, so make sure you got power on and off. And we have here a reset button, so that means if you finish the game for that one here, or a little bit stuck for that one there, you know, you could just press reset, it's straight into the menu. So, obviously, I really would say something else. I really enjoyed that one, you know, the unboxing for that one there, you know. Like I said, you get the system itself, that one there. You get a HDMI cable, USB plug-in port for that one there, so you can, you know, and even your two controllers. Now, the question is, you know, how in the world do I have to go open? So all I have to do is flick it here. So as you can see right now you can plug into your controllers. So hopefully I will take that off. So I'll maybe give you guys a demonstration. Okay, so we got here. So ready? Make sure it's got right. Okay, so as you can see, it's plugged in. But when so that's what you need to do. And if you finish with it, just take the lead out and finally close it up. So hopefully you will be sealed. So what's your thoughts on this? You know, the unboxing that one there. I'm really looking forward to it. And also, hopefully very soon, come into my channel, I'm going to play some latest games, that one here. But the games I am really interested to play for that one here, they are Super Mario Kart. I love playing Super Mario Kart when I was a kid. I'm also going to play Street Fighter 2 Turbo Hyper Fighting as well. That's another one of the big ones. Same as well for Final Fantasy 3, Donkey Kong Country, Secret Mana, and even Legend of Zelda Link to the Past, that one. I never played Legend of Zelda before, but this will be the very first time experiencing with a playthrough. So, obviously, I cannot wait to get started to play the games. So, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this video, and remember to drop a like for the video, give us a comments below for what your thoughts on the unboxing here, and also one thing as well, that what is your favourite Nintendo SNES game ever, and don't forget to click punch the subscribe button. Till then, this is Jack here. See you later!